Feels like a legit spring morning. Raining, gloomy, but it's like kind of warm. And here's my crowing hen. Let's see if she'll do it. If not, I'll insert a clip of her crowing. Huh, Frenchie? No. All right. Happy Thursday. There's Vanda. Beetle, are you gonna actually come in the barn? Or are you just gonna stay out here and eat goat poop? Vanda girl. Hi, baby. Look at your hair. You're having a bad hair day, huh? Yeah. Let's go see those babies. Okay, we're milking Party after a night away from the babies. And we're getting more milk. Mom, what you listening to?
Goat Talk with the Goat Dogs.
Oh, Mom's new podcast she's listening to.
Yeah, we're talking about selenium. It's very interesting.
Oh, yeah? Nice. She is growing her hair back so nice.
I know, she looks good.
Her skin looks really good. Hi, Party girl. Oh, hello. I love those little lips. Okay, here we go. Baby check. Here's Parkle. Hi, Irish girl. Ripple went to his new home yesterday, so it's just these two monsters. They're hopefully getting picked up soon as well. And then here's Gamora. She likes to sleep up on this bale of hay. It's pretty cute. Hi, Scarlet. We milked Scarlet yesterday, and she was so good. She's just so good. Everything is going good for her. Here's our Broody hen. Oh, I'm not going to pick you up right now. She's so ticked. Marble, of course, is in the barn. Here's Sleepy Cat. They love to sleep on this bale of hay. Good morning, girls. I'd like to clean this pen out today. Zoe baby. Look at those, her crooked smile. And we have Marigold, aka Little Tudball, or Miss Piggy. Red. Red's real name is Vanilla Wafer. No, Nilla Wafer. But we call her Red because it's shorter. And she's red. And here's Sandy girl. Sandy is thinning out. She's looking so good. That's what a dairy goat's supposed to look like, Marigold. And then we have Magic. Oh, I'll get you your grain. And Moo Moo. These are my good boys. They got fitted for the squeakies yesterday. That took about 2 hours. And then the Bucks. I guess Mom came in and milked immediately. No one's been fed yet. Stunning. Stag. Man of the few weeks. Babies are so cute. Alright, well here's the boy food. I'll let Stag out and feed him. Okay, this is how much the babies get. It's like 3/4 of a cup. These guys. And Mom will come in and help them eat it. Okay, then Irish. Oh my gosh, Parker's going to eat with her. A week and a half old, eating grain. Anyway, Irish's appetite is finally up and roaring. Huh, baby boy. No, you're not supposed to chew on my finger. And she's eating a bunch of hay. How about that, baby girl? All right, here's little Gamora, and I just saw her nursing on the side she doesn't usually like, which is awesome. So hopefully she'll help keep Scarlet a little bit more even. Okay, so Party is holding back because she wants milk for her babies.
Come here, baby.
Oh, look. Oh, I mean one baby. Cause, excuse me, you don't actually nurse.
She'll just have your phone.
I know.
She'll just eat the phone, that's fine.
So it's all for Wiley.
Yay.
Yeah,
so
look.
I wanted
how
to
big
get
it still is.
as much as I could out because I don't want her to get sick from drinking too much milk. But There was no getting any more. She was not having it.
Yeah, I mean, you milked her for like a while.
Yeah.
And we got almost a quart, I would say.
Yeah, that's usually a quart.
How's my baby cat? Are you sleepy? They get fed up here. Here is their food. There you go. And they killed a mouse for us yesterday. Didn't eat it, but killed it. All right. This is where the grain is now. It used to be downstairs. Not anymore. Here's the horse food. They get one of these scoops. Oh no, it's hard to do one-handed. All right. And here are their supplements. Magic gets 2 scoops of this. Is barrier plan? Anyway, it's a hoof supplement. And Mooney gets the same thing. So it's this. What does this say it is? Farrier's formula, but this has joint stuff in it. Because he's old and has some arthritis. I'm supposed to get a half a cup a day, so that's 2 of these in the morning and 1 at night. And then Mooney also gets this Hero, and that's for his insulin resistance because he is prone to get laminitis. So he gets this, and we limit his grass, especially fresh spring grass, intake to little to none. And Magic gets, can you see it? Magic gets this eczema treatment because he is allergic to midges. And if he doesn't get this, they bite him until he is raw. So that is the horse's concoctions. And then chickens have started laying their eggs up here. So I'm gonna climb up. Oh my gosh, we haven't checked up here in a while. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 8 eggs up here. So I guess I'll get those. Oh man, was I not recording? Okay, so we have 8 eggs, and they all look like they are a black mamba. All 3 black mambas, I believe, come up here to lay their eggs. And the other day I saw Maryland, the buff that has all of her toes, come up here. So there's 1 buff egg in there. And yeah, so we get to just search for eggs every day because they figure out how to get in the barn and they lay in various places. Like right now, Marble is in the cat's nesting box because the cat, Saphira, there, she really likes to sit in the chicken's nesting box, so we made her one not in the chicken coop. And Marble's in it, I'll show you. There she is. Alright, I gotta throw down some hay now. Alright, I got some goat food, and this is what I take down now. Threw down some hay already. And we're just gonna go downstairs. Look at that glare from the light.
Wow, looks like Jesus is coming through the back of the car.
We are on our way to our friend's farm. She has goats. She bought a lot of goats from us, and we're buddies. Anyway, we're going over there to tattoo babies because it's that time of year, and I'm also going to be dremeling her dog's feet. Toenails. Because once upon a time, I was a dog groomer. I am a certified professional dog groomer. I just don't do it as my job anymore. I did for about 2 years though. Anyway, we're gonna do that, and I have my kit here, and I was just gonna show you real quick. Okay, everything is dyed green, and the outside's not super clean, but the inside is, even though it is green, because that's the ink we use. This is one of the clamps, and you can see that says M3 on it, and you just clamp it real quick in her ear and put dye in it, and it's easy as that. And it's their identification numbers. Just boop. There's that. This is the dye. I like the roll-on dye as opposed to the...
Some people call it ink.
Oh. Yeah. What? Okay. Yeah. Ink. There you go. These are the numbers we write down. These were our babies we did the other day. Mom, I guess, forgot what Ribble's name was. Sophie's just R. Then I use this one to practice, so I make sure that I've got it in right, so you can see. These are all of my letters and numbers, all organized so that I can find them, because it's hard to tell what they are. And they're kind of pointy, so you don't want to just be fishing around. And then we got some extra stuff. So yeah, that's a very close-up view of my tattoo kit. We're not going to show tattooing them because it may be offensive to some people, because babies, they it doesn't feel good, but they only are upset for like maybe half a second, and then they're done. So I talked about this before, but tattooing is required by the government because it is their scrapies identification number. And the United States is a scrapies-free country, and they want to keep it that way. So you have to have the scrapies identification number. And that's how they keep track of all goats. So if your goat got loose. So don't microchip your goats. It doesn't work. You gotta tattoo them. Welcome to the mist of Wildland Farm. It's misting. It's Friday. I don't think I filmed it all yesterday because nothing happened. And it was just a boring day of work and farm stuff. Oh, okay. So we're gonna see what's going on in the barn. I was working out this morning, so Mom came out without me. So we'll see what she's done. Oh, we're milking Party. And she's giving a lot more because her giant buckling went home to his new home. So she's only got one nursing baby because the other baby's on a bottle. This is the first time we've come in and Gamora has been up. Hi, baby girl. Oh, Saphira, yes. Hello. Hi, Scarlett. I milked Scarlett for the first time solo last night. She did fairly good, I think. Are you guys hungry? You hungry, Sandy? Okay. Ooh, cobwebs. I'm up in the loft on my daily Easter egg hunt, and here's what I found. Here we go. Looks like, oh, it's dark. That's a buff egg. That's a black mamba. And they feed themselves, I don't know if you can see the divot, but a little nest. It's very interesting. I hope they're not laying somewhere else I can't see. Okay, Irish, every time you pick up Parker.
Oh, look, Lauren.
Is so worried. Oh my gosh, she's giving you kisses. This is how my mom would be if she was a grandma.
I am a grandma. Oh, that's so adorable. Oh, he stays here forever.
I know, he's so cute. It's a good thing you're cute and make really nice looking babies, because I literally just did his water and he just dumped it over. So I need to figure out a way to hook it up. I was hooking it onto the fence out there, but they weren't drinking it, so Stunnings's like, who, me? I'm just eating hay. You're the troublemaker. Look, huh, fuzzy face? It's really cute that Gamora has a fuzzy face just like he did when he was a baby. I love all this hair he grows on his face. Stag, I don't have anything. I know, this is your bucket. He usually, loves water and will, stick his whole face in it. Maybe that's why he dumps it. All right, I've hung his water up outside. I'm super paranoid, so I always do it so that the class is facing away, because if they rub their head on it and get their ear stuck or their lip or their eyelid stuck in that, even though this is really hard to push. So I always do it facing away so that there's no chance of them, I mean, I guess there is a chance because they're goats. And you just really can't goat-proof much. Huh, Snoopy, no. Snoopy? Snoopy? I saw you pee on yourself this morning. No, thank you. Ow! Okay. All right, that was my fault. I shouldn't have knelt down in the bug pen. My bad. Okay, goodbye. Sunny still can't be bothered. Oh, I paid the feed. Okay, goodbye. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but we're cleaning out the doe's pen. The party pen, as I call it. Here it is, all dirty. So, I've emptied everything except for this rock that I put in here for them to play on, or it makes me happy. And Trevor is gonna help us.
Yeah.
College.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Okay.
What are we doing, Trevor?
I just asked.
Oh, we're gonna clean this pen.
We're gonna clean the pen. All right, let's do it. I'll grab symptoms of rabies. It's like almost a guarantee.
My professor had like all sorts of rabies stuff done to him.
Oh
so
yeah,
he
that
was like,
super
he was like, you all, if you're going to work with wild animals at all or be around them at all, you should all go get the rabies, like preventative, not preventative, but like the pre-rabies shot.
Right, yeah.
Okay, we've moved on to the next stall.
New news.
New news. I don't know what that means.
That makes two of us.
Let's go look at Gamora. Look, she's walking. She's not sleeping. Hi, Scarlet baby. Look at me. I want to see your fuzzy face. She's got a really fuzzy face, just like Stag does. Okay, she especially hates being pet.
Oh.
So you just pick her up.
You ready?
Yep, Trevor's first time picking
This
up
is so bad.
a hen.
Hi. Oh, she's so nice.
Make sure you get her wings.
Oh, I got the wings.
Okay.
Do I
And
just
take
set
her
it down?
outside.
Oh, outside?
Yep.
Outside this way?
I'm standing up straight in this chicken coop.
And now I set her down?
Yep, just sit down.
Bye, thank you. Who is that? Frou-Frou?
Frou-Frou.
Bye, Frou-Frou.
You did it.
She hates being pet.
They all hate being pet.
What?
But they must tolerate it.
What are we up to?
She is situating her crop.
Got a kink in her neck. Did you say situating her crop?
Yeah,
Sounds
her crop.
inappropriate. I don't know what that means,
Oh
but
my god. Grab off these. These are actually is a portable corral for the horses, but we don't use it anymore, so it's our chicken roost. I'm gonna scrub it off with this grill brush and some water. Okay, Parker and Irish are gonna go have a little visit in the big pen.
it's moving day.
Do you have your moving buddies? Oh, she's like, where am I going?
She should remember this pin.
He's got his foot in my pocket.
Just gently put pressure on the mamba.
Oh, yes.
Do mambas, they don't like human interaction. Oh.
We did it.
That's really funny. I thought Irish was going to go for the mamba.
Oh, I wouldn't put it past her.
Hey, baby. Wow. Already pooped. That's all we do. Clean, and then they poop on it.
Yep.
It's a circle of life.
He's like, oh, another belly pin.
Another bill of hay.
He's cute.
That's what I said.
Excuse me? I don't know how to...
Oh, I missed it. He did a giant leap off. All right. It's Gamora's turn in the big pen, huh, Scarlet? She is like the most independent, chill baby we've ever had. So chill. They come. Oh, Riley, you missed it. Oh, Gypsy, hello. Look at that sunset. It's so nice. Hi, Mom.